Dirt Farmer Jay here from DirtFarmerJ.com. DeWalt offers on their DW735 13-inch planers 2 speeds, 1 and 2, one for dimensioning, one for finishing. Does it really make a difference? Let's find out. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from DirtFarmerJ.com. As I said, DeWalt offers on their DW735 2 different feed rates. This model offers either 96 cuts per inch or 179 cuts per inch. A standard planer runs around 96 to 100 cuts per inch, but they give you some options. And how important are they? So we're going to run 2 pieces of stock through a piece of hardwood oak and a piece of fir, softwood and hardwood, and run them on the 2 different settings and see what we get. Well, let's go do it. So a couple things to notice on this. Number one, this speed change is made, whatever one you choose to use, only while the machine is running. You don't do it cold off right now. That's not helpful to the machine. It's only done while it's running. Well, let's look and see what it is doing. Something that is a misunderstanding is some people think by changing this handle as it's running, it's changing the cutter speed. It's not. The cutter runs at the same rotation rate, RPM, constantly, no matter what this setting is. But what is changing is the feed rate. That is how long the piece of stock is dwelling under the cutters per second, and therefore you get 2 different cut rates. And number 2, you get 96 cuts per inch, and over here you're going to get 179 cuts per inch. So significant difference. All right, well, let's take a look inside the machine to see what's going on. We'll use the onboard wrench. All right, so now we've got the innards of the machine exposed here. When you rotate that handle outside, and I don't want to do it all because the machine's not running, you'll see that what it's doing is running this rod right here back and forth. And what that's doing is running in the gearbox that's on the side of the machine there nearest you, that changes the speed through this little transmission of how fast the feed rollers are rotating. So that's how it works. There you go. All right, we have the 2 pieces of stock. Let's look very closely here. And as you can see, on hardwood and softwood, we couldn't get much of a difference between the 2. Now, the machine is relatively new. The knives are very sharp, and this is standard factory knives. This is not a Helix or a helical knife, but you can see these finished very, very nicely. And we ran them side by side, using the same depth of cut with the 2 different speeds. So does it make a big difference? Well, not a whole lot, to be honest with you. As the knives wear a bit, maybe you're going to see it more. And I would say another reason you probably didn't see much difference on this is neither one of these pieces of stock are highly figured, so you weren't getting tear out or anything like that. But for general purpose, remember, a standard planer is what their rough dimensioning speed is on this. And then they give you another setting where you can really slow down the feed rate to get a smoother cut even above that. I think it's a nice feature, and it's probably worthwhile to utilize in different settings where you don't want to thickness plane a lot and you don't want to do a lot of surface preparations afterwards. Here's something else you might find to be helpful, and here's a technique with one setup on your table saw that you can cut all of the joints to make drawer boxes. This is commonly called the quarter or half technique. We'll show you how to do it. You'll love the results. And while you're at it, check out this other episode from our catalog that YouTube thinks is perfect for your interest. We'd like you to watch it too. Till the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com.